back in 2000 and 2001, I was just beginning my exploration of spirituality. Now, I didn't know it at the time. I thought I was just having a great time uh, living near Isla Vista in Santa Barbara. Uh, just for those of you who don't know, who aren't from the Southern California area, Isla Vista at the time of 2000 was a peninsula of college students, about 50,000 of them, who from Thursday night until Sunday morning would close off the streets with barricades and have a giant house party uh, that consisted of live bands, music, people. I mean, it was like Mardi Gras every weekend during the school year. And I was having a great time with my friends who had just moved up there to begin their college life. I was slightly older than them, and yet, they accepted me for who I was. I was one of the friends, one of the gang, and it was a wonderful experience. But there's always a caveat or a reason why things don't work out when you're living an incomplete lifestyle. Oh man, you have no idea how much anxiety this creates in me just to talk about these things. But gotta do it. No backing out now. I was living. I was living with a group of friends, and one of my best friends. Um, his girlfriend at the time gave me the opportunity to try um, LSD for the first time. I was never the type to shy away from a new experiment when the only person being harmed could possibly be me. So, um, I I guess taking LSD really was one of the pivotal moments in my journey towards spirituality, towards understanding the mysteries behind life. Now, I don't say this lightly because not everyone is cut out for exploring life in this way. I guess you could say that I've always made myself a guinea pig for everyone else. That's not even correct. I've always been a guinea pig in my own experiments because this is the only life we get, and we might as well make the most of it.